How to cancel order on Amazon. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel an order on Amazon if you have a store and your customer ordered something but now you want to cancel that order, you do not want to ship it. How to do that? So for that, we will actually go to our amazon.com and you will get to your store. And once you get to your store, let me actually take you to the amazon.com help center. So here you have to go to your orders. Go to your orders and select the order you want to cancel. Select cancel items. So here select the check box of the item that you want to remove from the order. To cancel the entire order, select all the items. So if it has more than one item, then you will select all of them. After that, select cancel items in this order and then you will click on finish. You can see these steps right here and confirm your order will be cancelled. So this is how we cancel an order on Amazon. It's actually really easy to do. You will just go to your orders and then select the items, click on cancel and confirm. This way you will cancel the orders. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.